Good afternoon from J&kfarms. We got some birds in the barn today. A lot of birds. Got some pigs just hanging out, staying warm. We got some snow last night. These guys are just cuddled up. I don't know where the little babies are. I don't see them in here. They're probably out in the hut. The little babies. We got these guys. I put the heat lamp on for them. They probably don't need it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Trying to keep them feeling good. So, yeah. I don't know. That's about it. Tomorrow is first day of Shotgun 2, which I'll be doing that. So hopefully we'll have some success there. But yeah, just kind of a cold day. It's going to get colder tonight. And tomorrow's going to get real cold. I think we got a boar up here that's kind of in the mood. And I don't know what's going to happen here. We'll just have to see. Time will tell. But yeah, so, well, nothing too major today. Just go short and sweet. Let's go see what these little babies are up to. You guys just mind me. Sorry if it's a little windy, but I can't control that. Oh, growl yourself awake. Let's go see what these babies are doing. Hopefully they're out here warm. Oh yeah, look at them. They're all cuddled up in the snow, or the bedding. Not the snow, sorry. So, yeah, they're doing good. So, hopefully Mom will come back out and warm them up soon. But, alrighty, well, that's about all I got to do and say today. I've already fed them, watered them, and checking the water now, and seeing what these two yahoos are up to. And go finish preparing for shotgun season. If you're going out, hopefully you're safe and you're lucky, and thank the Lord for everything you get. And yeah.